was in Japan. You know, lamig na po. Autumn, when we were there, the leaves become brown, yellow, and then all the leaves are all gone. Pero alam po ba nyo, there are trees that remain green. And these are the evergreens. Stand tall in the coldest winter. What a sight to see everything brown, and there's this tree standing green na green. There are people who are like that. Meron namang ibang tao, konting-kontang, ay, naku, wala na. Dasal ka ng dasal. Pero pagdating ng trial, wala na, parang wala na. Mayroon pang isang trait po ng evergreen. Springtime, yan na. And the flowers come again. And the evergreen, nasa likod lang, in the background, unnoticed, but humble, standing there patiently. Hindi na po kailangan ng mga pasikat, payabang, pagalingan. That's not what life is all about. Steady ka lang. Until the next fall, once again, you see that evergreen. The secret of the evergreen is it is deeply rooted on the ground. Stay rooted in the Lord. Please be an evergreen. Ano mang pinagdadaanan mo. Be an inspiration.